Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Sain Sini. Number NPM 24411081. Class of MNG 24C. In this video, I will explain one of the material from business mathematics, namely material mathematical model. Material coverage. Number one, difference between pure mathematics and applied mathematics in economy and business. Number two, basic concept of mathematics and business economy. Business mathematical model. The material one, difference between pure mathematics and applied mathematics in economic and business. What is pure mathematics? Pure mathematics is the study of the material concept independent of any application outside of mathematics. Pure mathematics is often described as mathematics for its own sake. Human's goal is to discover new mathematics and establish theoretical framework. This branch of mathematics is concerned with abstract structure, logical reasoning, and the development of the theories. The main area of pure mathematics include: number one, algebra, the study of mathematical symbolic and their rules. For manipulating the symbolic, algebra include topics such as group theory, ring theory, and file theory. Number two, number theory, often referred to as the queen of math. Numbering theory is the study of integer and integer value function. Some of the problems in the area include Fermat, Last theorem, and Goldberg conjecture. Number three, geometry, the study of the shapes, size, and the properties of space. It includes classical Euclidean geometry and the abstract world, and such as different geometry and algebraic geometry. Number four, topology, something described as rubber sheet geometry. Topology focus on the properties of the space that are preserved in continuous deformation. Is the key area in understanding the structure of space at a high abstract level. Number five, mathematical logic, the study of formal system and symbolic reasoning. This field is fundamental to all of mathematics, providing the tools, net, formula, and of mathematical statement. Pure mathematics often involves the process of proving theorems statements that are logical derivatives from axioms, which are fundamental that assumes is a mathematical system. Professing is at the core of pure mathematics, ensuring that results are rigorous, validate, and contribute to the broader mathematical knowledge base. Pure mathematical might seem detached from practical problem, but its discovered often find application here, or even centuries after they were first development. For example, number theory was considered a pure theoretical field with the practical benefit, but is now the basis of modern cryptography, essential for secure communication in the digital age. In economy and business, applied mathematics is used to solve problems that arise such as profit, cost, supply, and demand and come. While pure mathematics is the basic for understanding economic and business mathematics. Material 2, basic concept of mathematics and business economic, business mathematical model. Basic concept of business mathematics. Basic concept of Basic concept of mathematics in the application of mathematical method is analysis and solving problems that occur in the business world. What are some basic concepts of mathematical that are commonly used in the economy and business? Percentage and interest. Percentage Percentage are used to calculate profit. Discount takes interest, simple interest and compound interest in use to calculate return on investment, loans, or saving. Linear functional. A linear function represents a proportional relations between two variables, as in the analysis of total revenue or total cost. In general, from is Y sama dengan MX plus PY sama dengan MX plus P, where M is the gradient or slope and B is the intercept. Break-even point. Break-even point. In the point at which total revenue equal total cost. So there is no profit or loss. The basic formula for calculating break-even is break-even dengan price per unit, mean variable cost per unit. Linear algebra and the material matrix. Linear algebra use to solve a problem involving many variables, such as system a linear equation that often arise in the production and financial management. Derivative, derivatives and calculus used to calculate rate of change, such as elasticity of demands or margin cost. Derivatives are also used to maximize or minimize function in the business decision. Number four, probability and statistics. Probability is used to predict future events such as investment risk or return. Statistics are used to analyze data and make determinations based on includes sales forecasting. Basic concept of business economics. Business, business economics is the branch of economics that focus on the application of economic theory to practical problems in the business world. What are some key concepts in business economics? Number one, demand and supply. The law of demand states that when price fall, demand interest and vice versa. Supply work the other way around. Equilibrium is reached when the quantity demand is equal to quantity average. Number two, elasticity. Measure the responsiveness or of demand or supply to change in price, income, or other variable. Elasticity is important in making decision and marketing strategy. Number three, theory of production. Explain the relationship between input such as labor, capital, and the output production. This include analysis of production cost, efficiency, and economies of scale. Number four, cost and income. Number five cost and variable costs. Fixed costs do not change with change in product equality, while variable costs change with production quantity total revenue. Number six, marginal revenue. Total revenue is the revenue from all units sold, while marginal revenue is the additional revenue from an additional unit sold. Number seven, decision theory dealt with long first made decision under uncertainty from either choosing between different investment alternatives or making strategies. Number eight, market and market structure. Market structure affect how first determine price and the production quantity. Competitive, monopolies, oligopolies, and monopolistic markets have different characteristics in terms of pricing power and competition. Investment analysis, companies of after investment choice. Number 8 and 9, investment analysis. Companies often face investment choice. where they use methods such as net present value (NPV) or internal rate of return (IRR) to determine the feasibility of the investment. The combination of math and business economics help manager to make better decisions based on the right data for forecast possible outcome and manager resource more effectively. Thank you. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.